All right, we have made it to the end of the course, so congratulations. I just wanted to bring up one other thing here right at the end that some of you guys may or may not realize, depending on how experienced you are. But because we have put all of our different lighting on separate layers, we can go in and change any of these at any time. You can completely change the way that a layer looks by opening up hue saturation and changing the colors of those lights. So you could have a daytime look, you could have a nighttime look, a lot of different options there, a lot of flexibility in working this way. Obviously, if you want to use less layers, you want to do it all on a couple layers, that works too. But I thank you so much for watching. I do hope you've learned something. If you did, spread the word, tell somebody on social media. I am a one-man operation. There's no marketing team. And what I found makes a bigger difference than anything is just word of mouth. And that's marketing people have known this for a long, long time. And that's really all I ask of you in return. I'd love to see your versions of these. You can tag me in social media. This app frustrated me for such a long time because I really couldn't find time around my other work to put time into it, to actually spend some time to figure it out. And once I did, it opened up a lot of options for me. And I hope that it does for you too. Again, thank you so much for your support. I'll include links to all my social media and other courses and give you a discount as well, depending on what platform you're on, but you should see that in the very last lesson listed here. So again, I can't thank you enough. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care of yourself.